Hi, this is the NOKIA 9 PureView and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant option on this device. So first launch the Google application and then tap on the right upper corner, go to the settings and tap to voice section. Click to voice match and you'll see here Hey Google switcher, just tap on it. Click to more, I agree, next, not now. And we could see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want Assistant to recognize your voice, tap to voice model, retain voice model and say, OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now just tap to next. Not now. And when you'll say now OK Google or Hey Google, we could see that this option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.